Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. It is a brisk 46 degrees right now. When I first woke up this morning, it was actually 28 degrees. Yes, winter has finally arrived in northern Florida. I am going to try and plant or start some seeds that I have for a plant that I have never really had much success with. I'm sure each and every one of us has stories of trying to grow plants where they haven't been very successful at it. For me, it's spinach. So we're going to try again. Let's get started. So we're back at my green stalk, and off camera a few days ago, I had some spring onions or green onions, bunching onions, and that I bought from the store. I took the bottoms and placed them in these three pouches here. 1, 2, 3. So that leaves me with 5 empty spaces on the third tier. And we are going to plant some giant winter spinach that I got from High Mowing Seeds. And it says how far deep I have to plant them, 1/4 of an inch deep. So using my new Hori Hori knife that I got in the mail from a company called Sensei, I'm going to go down approximately 1/4 of an inch to plant them in these pouches. The knife itself is well balanced, has a plastic handle, comes with a sheath to cover it. And what I really like about it is that it has a scale or a ruler, if you will, to let you know how far you're actually or how deeply you are actually digging in the ground. So here it actually doesn't have one for 1/4 inch, but I'm going to go about a 1/2 inch, which will be right here. So all I'm going to do is to press slightly down into the soil in each pouch. And there's the 5. The knife also has a serrated edge and a straight edge. If you're interested in purchasing one, I'll put the web address on the screen for it, as well as the comment section and the description portion of the video. I have never really had good success with spinach. And recently we have had about a week of really cold weather. And I don't know if I had a epiphany or not, but down in South Florida, it never really got as cool as it has up here. And since spinach is a cool season crop, maybe what I was doing, planting them in the soil down there, where the soil never dropped below 65 degrees, 70 degrees. Up here, it's probably below that, and maybe that'll help germinate them. Either way, we're going to give it a try and see. So I'm going to drop 2 seeds in each hole that I made and cover them back up. Okay, we have all that we have planted or need to have planted. Next, I'm going to connect my handheld watering wand and come back and water. A few details about the Hori Hori digging knife. It is a cross between a hand trowel and a knife based on the traditional Japanese design. It's best multi-purpose. It is the best multi-purpose tool for digging, planting, weeding, and dividing. It's good for the lawn and the garden, as well as landscaping and metal detecting. It has a mirror polished stainless steel blade that has a straight edge and a serrated edge, making it easy to saw through roots. It easily cuts through soil with a scale or depth indicator on one side, so you know exactly how deep you're digging. The handle is contoured. It doesn't slip, and overall, it's a pretty decent product. Now, the company used to be called Sensei. It is now called Sen Green, Sengreen. And if you're interested in purchasing one, again, as I stated earlier, I will put the link for the company and the product on the screen, as well as in the comments and description portion of the video. Overall, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it brought a smile to your face and a little joy to your heart. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. Also, take a moment to consider becoming a member of my channel. 3 to 5 times a month, I will air member-only videos, and which you can respond to. I will also leave member-only discussions, comments, and I will also have member-only seed giveaways once my membership is up to a good level. So think about it. If you do subscribe to my channel, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like the content, your family and friends will also. I am kind of surprised that due to the weather up here, my plants haven't really been suffering. The ones that I did expect to have some issues, the squash that I have, the eggplant, basil, yeah, they're struggling. Pretty much they're done. But everything else is doing great. I took my peppers, my super hots, as well as my scotch bonnets and stuff like that, as well as my papaya plant, and put them in the greenhouse, and it's nice and toasty in there. They're doing well. No signs of distress. So hopefully it will continue to be that way until our little cold snap passes. Although looking at the weather, next week is supposed to be pretty chilly as well. So we'll see. Thank you for stopping by, and until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Take care.